All right, guys, we're a couple revs in, about to upload another tune from my tuner Derek. I am at IMW, and yeah, so if any of you guys don't know how to install a tune, upload a tune to your car without using your laptop connected to the Flash Pro, once you upload the tune onto your Honda Flash Pro, once you do that, you can actually store two tunes, but your primary, secondary. So I'll just show you how to do it on your primary, secondary. Never really have done it, never loaded two tunes, so I have no idea, but there's probably videos out there. So what you want to do, once it's uploaded to your Flash Pro, you want to turn the vehicle on position, and hold the data log button, or sorry, hold the program button for about a second or two, and let go. Actually, let me turn something off real quick. All right, and once you do that, you should see, don't mind the noise, it's my water pump from my aftercooler kit. And you should see here, the program light is on. And I'll turn this off. So usually when I upload it, running off the battery, especially today is cold, I try to turn off all this, anything possible. I turn off the lights, even though it's LED, disconnect my Bluetooth to the unit, and turn off the heat. I just don't want anything to draw any power from the battery. So yeah, so next thing we have to do is just wait. It's uploading now, so I'll just set it right here. And we'll wait till the needle hits the 8 mark. All right, tune's uploaded. I'm gonna turn off the car. And I'm gonna have to get a cold start. So today, I'm getting a cold start, stop and go for about 15 minutes, highway for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna do WOT pulls in third gear from 2500 to red line. That's the same logs that I took yesterday, and this is another rev of the tune, so we're going to do the same thing today. And you want to go ahead, hit the data log. And we'll just log this till the engine's fully warmed up. When you see the coolant symbol, that blue thing right there, once that is off and it's idling steadily at 1000, that's when I'll stop the log. And then later today I'll do a stop and go, and then do highway, and then do a couple WOT pulls. So once I start doing that, I'll be back.